Hello, everyone.
Hi, friends. Welcome back.
Today we have a very important lesson.
Yes, a lesson you can use anywhere.
We're learning how to introduce yourself in English.
Simple English.
Real English.
Useful English.
This is perfect for beginners.
Yes, for A1 learners.
Maybe you meet a new person.
Maybe at school,
At work.
in a cafe,
In a class.
or online.
You need to say who you are.
That is what introducing yourself means.
It means saying your name,
Your country,
your job,
your age, sometimes.
and maybe a little about yourself.
Very small and simple.
If you like lessons like this, please like the video and subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe.
It helps the channel.
And it helps more learners find simple English practice.
Great.
Okay, let's begin.
First, remember this.
You do not need perfect English.
You do not need big words.
You only need clear and simple words.
That is enough.
Really.
So let's imagine two people meeting for the first time.
One person says hello,
The other person says hello.
and then they introduce themselves.
Nice and easy.
Let's start with the most basic way.
Hello,
Hi,
I'm Adam.
I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That is a very important phrase.
Very important.
Let's repeat it slowly.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Great.
This is the first step.
Short,
Easy.
friendly.
Now, let's add more information.
Okay.
You can say,
My name is Adam.
I'm from Jordan.
I'm a student.
I like English.
I'm happy to be here.
Very good.
Let's repeat slowly.
My name is Adam.
My name is Adam.
I'm from Jordan.
I'm from Jordan.
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
I like English.
I like English.
I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy to be here.
Excellent.
Now let's make it a real conversation.
Great idea.
Hi, I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. I'm Adam.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jordan.
Oh, nice.
And you?
I'm from Egypt.
Great.
Very nice.
That is a very common question.
Yes, where are you from?
Very useful.
Very simple.
You can answer in many ways.
For example,
I'm from Jordan.
I'm from Egypt.
I'm from the USA.
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Japan.
Nice.
Let's repeat.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Jordan.
I'm from Jordan.
I'm from Egypt.
Good. Now let's talk about your name.
Yes.
You can say,
My name is Anna.
I'm Adam.
My name is Ahmed.
I'm Sarah.
Very simple.
Some people say, I am Adam.
That is correct.
Some people say, I'm Adam.
That is also correct.
I'm is shorter.
And more natural in conversation.
Nice.
Let's practice.
My name is Adam.
My name is Anna.
I'm Adam.
I'm Anna.
Great.
Now let's add age.
Yes, but only if you want to.
Right.
You can say,
I'm 25 years old.
I'm 30 years old.
I'm 18.
I'm 40.
Easy.
Very easy.
Repeat after me.
I'm 25 years old.
I'm 25 years old.
I'm 30 years old.
I'm 30 years old.
Nice.
Now let's add a job or role.
Great.
You can say,
I'm a teacher.
I'm a student.
I'm a nurse.
I'm an engineer.
I work in an office.
I work from home.
Good. Let's repeat. I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
Excellent. Now let's talk about hobbies.
Ooh, hobbies are fun.
Yes, you can say,
I like music.
I like reading.
I like sports.
I like cooking.
I like watching movies.
I like learning English.
Nice.
That one is very important.
Very helpful for learners.
Let's repeat. I like music.
I like music.
I like reading.
I like reading.
I like learning English.
I like learning English.
Very good. Now let's put everything together.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Adam.
Hi, Adam.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm from Jordan.
Great.
I'm a teacher.
Nice.
I like English and coffee.
Coffee is important.
Very important. And you?
I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you.
I'm from Egypt.
Very nice.
I'm a student.
Good.
I like music and cooking.
Great. That was a full introduction.
Simple and natural.
Easy to remember.
Very useful.
Now let's talk about asking questions.
Yes.
When you meet someone, you can ask,
What is your name?
where are you from?
What do you do?
Do you like English?
Are you a student?
Nice. Let's repeat. What is your name?
What is your name?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
What do you do?
Great.
These questions help keep the conversation going.
Yes, they do.
Because talking is not only saying your own name,
Right.
you also need to listen and ask.
Very true.
Let's do a simple conversation.
Hello.
Hi,
My name is Adam.
I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt.
Oh, nice.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jordan.
Great.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Nice.
And you?
I'm a teacher.
Good.
Do you like English?
Yes, I do.
Excellent.
That was very good.
Yes, simple and clear.
Now let's make it a little more natural.
Okay.
Sometimes when you meet someone, you can say,
Hello. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very friendly.
Very normal.
Very useful.
Let's practice those phrases slowly.
Hello, how are you?
Hello. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Great.
Sometimes beginners feel shy.
That is normal.
Very normal.
You may think, oh no, my English is bad.
But that is okay,
Very okay.
because even small English can start a good conversation.
Yes.
One word is good.
2 words are better.
A short sentence is great.
And a smile helps too.
Absolutely.
A smile is universal,
That means people understand it everywhere.
even if your English is not perfect.
Nice.
Let's talk about a common problem.
Okay.
Some learners say too much.
Yes, that happens.
They try to speak very fast.
Or they use too many words.
Then they feel nervous.
So remember this.
Keep it short.
Keep it simple.
Keep it clear.
Exactly.
For example,
Hi, I'm Adam.
I'm Anna.
I'm from Jordan.
I'm a teacher.
I like English.
That is enough.
Very enough.
You do not need a long speech.
Just a small introduction.
Good. Now let's practice with a new friend.
Okay.
Hello,
Hi.
my name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt.
Oh, great. And you?
I'm from Jordan.
Nice. What do you do?
I'm a student.
Great.
And you?
I'm a teacher.
Very nice.
Do you like English?
Yes, I do.
Good.
I want to improve my English.
That is a great goal.
Yes,
Many learners feel the same.
very true.
Now let's add one more useful sentence.
Okay,
You can say,
I'm new here.
I'm new here.
That means you just arrived.
or you are in a new place.
Very useful at school, work, or a class.
Yes,
Let's repeat.
I'm new here.
I'm new here.
Great.
Another useful phrase is,
This is my first time here.
this is my first time here,
Very helpful.
especially if you are in a new place.
Let's repeat.
This is my first time here.
This is my first time here.
Good.
Now let's imagine a first day at an English class.
Oh, yes.
New students are sitting together.
A student says hello,
Another student smiles.
and the conversation starts.
Hi, I'm Adam.
Hi, Adam. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you new here?
Yes, this is my first time here.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Syria.
Oh, great. And you?
I'm from Jordan.
Nice.
What do you like doing? I like reading and cooking.
Nice hobbies.
Thank you.
That is a very natural conversation.
Yes, very real
Good for beginners.
and easy to copy.
Now let's talk about pronunciation a little.
Yes,
Some words are short,
some words are long.
but do not worry.
Just speak clearly.
For example, I'm.
I'm.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
I like English.
I like English.
Very good.
A little slow.
A little clear.
That is best.
Now let's do a fun practice.
Okay.
I will say a sentence.
And I will answer.
Ready?
Ready.
Hello, my name is Adam.
Hello, Adam. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm from Jordan.
I'm from Egypt.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a student.
I like coffee.
I like tea.
Haha, nice.
Tea is good too.
Yes, very good.
Now let's practice some short self-introduction answers.
Great.
What is your name?
My name is Adam.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jordan.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you like?
I like English and music.
Nice.
What about you?
My name is Anna.
Nice.
I'm from Egypt.
Great.
I'm a student.
Good.
I like reading and cooking.
Excellent.
Very good.
Sometimes people ask, how old are you?
Yes.
You can answer,
I'm 20 years old.
I'm 25 years old.
Easy.
If you do not want to answer, that is okay too.
Yes, you can just smile.
Or change the topic.
Good.
Now let's talk about a professional introduction.
Okay.
Maybe in a job meeting,
You need a little more detail.
but still simple.
For example,
Hello, my name is Adam.
I'm from Jordan.
I work in education.
I'm a teacher.
I like helping students.
Nice.
I'm happy to be here.
Very good.
That sounds polite and clear.
And not too difficult.
Great.
Let's repeat a few useful lines.
Hello, my name is Adam.
Hello, my name is Anna.
I'm from Jordan.
I'm from Jordan.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
I like helping students.
I like helping students.
I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy to be here.
Wonderful.
Now let's make it more friendly.
Yes,
Sometimes you can say,
it's nice to meet you.
it's good to see you.
How are you today?
I hope you're well.
Nice.
These are friendly phrases.
Very friendly.
Not too hard,
Not too formal.
perfect for everyday English.
Let's practice.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
How are you today?
How are you today?
I hope you are well.
I hope you are well.
Great.
Now let's do a short dialogue with mistakes.
Mistakes?
Yes, on purpose.
Oh, okay.
So learners can see the right way.
Good idea.
Hi, my name Adam.
Almost.
What is wrong?
You need my name is Adam.
Yes, my name is Adam.
Good.
I am from Jordan.
Correct.
I student.
You need I am a student.
Oh yes, I am a student.
Perfect.
See, small mistake,
Small fix.
big improvement.
Exactly.
That is how learning works.
step by step.
Let's repeat the correct version.
My name is Adam.
My name is Adam.
I'm from Jordan.
I'm from Jordan.
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
Great.
Now, let's imagine meeting someone online.
Oh, yes, on video call or chat.
You can still introduce yourself.
Of course.
Hello, my name is Adam.
Hi, Adam. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt.
Great.
And you?
I'm from Jordan.
Nice.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
I'm a teacher.
Good.
This works everywhere.
At school,
At work,
online,
in a cafe.
everywhere.
Very useful.
Now let's practice one more time with slow repetition.
My name is Adam.
My name is Adam.
I'm from Jordan.
I'm from Jordan.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
I like English.
I like English.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Excellent.
That was good.
Very good.
You can use these words in real life today,
Yes, today.
not tomorrow.
Today.
That is the best way to learn.
Use it now.
Speak a little,
Repeat a little.
practice a little.
Improve a lot.
Nice.
Before we finish, let's do one final full introduction.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Adam.
Hi, Adam. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm from Jordan.
I'm from Egypt.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a student.
I like English and coffee.
I like English and music.
I'm happy to be here.
Me too.
How about you?
I'm good, thank you.
Great.
That was a beautiful, simple conversation.
Yes, simple and clear.
Exactly what beginners need.
Friends, remember this.
Keep your introduction short.
Keep it clear
Keep it friendly.
and keep practicing.
Very important.
Let's say our key phrases one last time.
My name is,
My name is,
I'm from,
I'm from,
I'm a,
I'm a,
I like,
I like.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Excellent.
You did a great job today.
Very great.
Tell us in the comments what is your name and where are you from?
And tell us one thing you like.
Maybe a hobby,
Maybe a food.
maybe a subject.
We would love to know.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.